Hello, and here's exactly how we can manage to change our profile picture on Rocket League when you're using the Epic Games version. Now, how will we do this? Well, first of all, go to your Google and then search for Bakkesmod download, like this, download. There will also be all the links in the description for every site. So click on this one, Bakkesmod download. It should be bakkesmod.com. And click on here to download. Then your download should start on the top right of your screen. If you don't see this, you can go to your file explorer and go to downloads. Then you should see Bakkesmod setup.zip. So open that one up, please. Click on it. Then close this down. And right here, just double click on Bakkesmod setup. That is the only file in the folder. So click on yes. Do you want to create a shortcut? I say do it. Click on next, install, and now it will install. So click on finish, and it will now launch Bakkesmod. So you can close this one down, and you could minimize your Google. So right now, just to test if it works, go to your Epic Games and just start up Rocket League to see if it works. Okay, so my Rocket League had just started up. If you press F2 on your keyboard, you should see this menu open up right here. Now, if this all works, then you're okay and you know you've installed it good. And we're gonna download a plugin right here. So in order to do this, we need to first of all quit our Rocket League. So just close it off. Now, let's say your Bakkesmod didn't install fully. You can always go to File and go to Reinstall. Or check for updates. That way you hopefully fix it. How we download this plugin is to go to Bakkesmod plugins. So there will be a link in the description for this plugin. But you could always search for Bakkesmod plugins, and then go to this site like here, and then you should see AlphaConsole. If you don't see it right here, search for AlphaConsole, and then you should see AlphaConsole right here. Click on that one, and now we're gonna install it. So if you have Bakkesmod open and it works, you can click on install with Bakkesmod, open the plugin installer. It will now install the plugin, so you'll have to wait a little bit. And it will say plugin will be installed the next time you launch a game. Close this down, and now you should be okay with the plugin. Now for some people, they don't get this pop-up right here. And how you can fix that is two ways. So the first thing that you will try is to go to your settings. And when you're in your settings, go to privacy and security on the left right here. Then go to site settings way below right here. And then scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects. Click on pop-ups and redirects. And then enable sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Click on that one. Then go back to your AlphaConsole Bakkesmod site. Reload it. Click on install again and see if it works. Now, let's say it still doesn't work. Then you can go back, click on don't allow anymore. Close this down. And now we can install it manually. So how we will install it manually is to click on this drop down menu right here. Then go to download files. And we will now install the files that are in the plugin. So normally it will download these automatically if you click right here. But now we need to do this manually. So click on the zip file right here. Now to make this easier, you can close down your Google and create a folder on your desktop. So create a new one, call it anything you'd like. And drag these things in right here. Drag the folders into that folder. Now you can close this one down, open your new folder and keep it open. Go back to your Bakkesmod and then click on File. And here you see Open Bakkesmod folder. Click on that one. And now you will have the folder of your Bakkesmod items and stuff. So right now we need to select all of these. So hold down your mouse button and drag them into our Bakkesmod folder. So just move them to Bakkesmod. And it should say it has 6 files with the same name. And then click on replace the files in the destination. Now what this will do is it will go to the plugins folder. It will make sure to download the AlphaConsole. And it will go to the data folder and also install it. Now you could close this down, and open up your Rocket League. In Rocket League, you can click on F5 and then you will open up the AlphaConsole. You should see this console. So if you click on F2, you can also go to plugins and then AlphaConsole and click on toggle AlphaConsole menu. So right here I have it. And if we now go to cosmetics, we see avatar texture mods. so this is the first one, we can choose a saved preset of our profile picture. So in this way we can change our profile picture, but first we need to create our profile picture. How do we do that? Well, you need to choose the file that you like, but we need to have it in the right format in order to make sure that Rocket League can use it. So first of all, search for your profile picture. Now I'm just gonna say profile picture. Okay, so I just searched for profile picture monkey. I don't know, I'm just gonna click on this one. Now make sure that when you download one, it's at least 400 by 400. So as you can see, if I hover over it, you see 3000 by 2000. So save the image, save it as, save. And now we're gonna go to our site called Photopia. Photopia, it's actually called, as you can see, Photopia online photo editor. And there will be a link in the description, because we need to make sure that our photo is the right size and the right file. Otherwise, your photo will not work, or it will come out poorly in your Rocket League. So what we need to do is create a new project right here. And then for the width, choose 400, and for the height, choose 400. Now let's say that you have a bigger picture. You can do something like 800 by 800. But if you have a small profile picture, that's also a small amount of pixels, you could better use 400 by 400. Leave everything to the same except for the name. Call this anything you'd like. So I'll just call it profile and click on create. So now we have this right here. It's really easy. Just drag in your download like this, and now we can resize it. So if you just go to these corners, you can resize it. If you hold down Alt, you'll resize it from the center, and just resize this to your liking of how you want to look. If you're done, click on this one like here, or press enter. And right now we're done. So go to file, go to export as, and then go to PNG. You need to choose PNG because I tried things like JPG and some other things, but it didn't work. Only PNG worked for me, so click on that one. Now the width should be 400 by 400 pixels, and the format should be PNG. Your name, you can keep it profile. Make sure that the quality is 100%, and then click on save. Okay, so now you should have it in your folder. So go to the folder location. As you can see, it's in my downloads. And right now we can close our Google. Yes. Okay, so right now we're gonna add it to our Rocket League. And how we can do this is go to your Rocket League and make sure that you have your AlphaConsole open. Once again, press F5, and right here on the avatar texture mods, you should see open directory. Click on that one. And now it should open up this folder. As you can see, we have two files. What you need to do is click on this one, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V to make a copy. If we have this, we can rename this. So rename this how you'd like. So this could be like profile picture or profile monkey, and then add in your profile picture. So drag it in right here and then close that one down. Okay, so right now you need to remember the name of your profile picture. So in my case, it's profile.png. Go to open your new JSON file that you created. So this thing that you copied, right click on it, click on open with, choose another app, and then make sure that you click on Notepad, or if you have anything else, click on OK, and you should see something like this. So what does this all mean? So this one is the name. So what name will it have in Rocket League thing? So just call it something like profile monkey, or profile picture, profile pic 1, anything that you like. Then here the diffuse, this is the name of the file. So in my case it's profile.png, so just change it to profile.png. Make sure you have to write capital letters, small letters, numbers, anything like that. Now for the paint and tint you can leave it like this. Now press Ctrl S or click on file and click on save. Then you can close this down, go to Rocket League, and if you then close the menu down from the AlphaConsole, press on F5, you should see profile monkey, profile monkey. Yeah, this is the thing that I just created. So let's now go to a training session, and in the training session you can see that I have this monkey thing right here. So this is my monkey profile picture, and let me score a goal. Yeah, and now you see also my monkey is right here, and the profile picture worked, as you can see. Alright, so now you know how to change your Epic Games profile picture. And you can also make more lists, so you can copy this one, paste it another time, and create a new profile picture. And then in that way you could have multiple profile pictures at a time and just change it right here and which one you will have. And it will change in real time, as you can see. So one thing that many people ask is this for everyone or only locally? So unfortunately it's only on your PC. So it's like the item skins, it's only on your PC, so other people can't see your profile picture. Now the second thing is, a lot of people think, why is my picture dark? And I had the same problem. The only conclusion that I could make is to change the resolution. If you use a higher resolution, then the profile picture is less dark than it is. Unfortunately, I've tried a lot of different things, but I still can't manage to make it lighter. So I don't know why this happens, but it happens for a reason. So what you could try is, what I did is I went to Photopea and I drag my file in, or like I need to create a new project, and instead of 400 by 400 do 800 by 800, then drag your file in. Oh, that's the wrong one, sorry. Drag your file, and then if you save this one, replace it with this one, then it should be less dark. And I think it's something about the resolution, but I'm not sure because I myself couldn't fix it that clearly. But this is everything that I could offer you. If this video helped you, then please leave a like and subscribe. And I'd say thank you for watching.